If you're looking to master customer retargeting using Mailchimp, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to effectively use Mailchimp's powerful tools to bring back lost customers and maximize your marketing efforts. First, let's talk about what customer retargeting is and why it's so crucial for your business. Essentially, retargeting involves showing targeted ads or messages to people who have previously interacted with your business but didn't convert. It's a great way to keep your brand in front of potential customers and turn them into actual buyers. Next thing, let's dive into setting up Mailchimp for retargeting. The first step is connecting your website or e-commerce platform to Mailchimp. Whether you're using Shopify, WooCommerce, or just a simple website, Mailchimp integrates easily to track your visitors and segment your audience. Make sure to install the Mailchimp tracking code on your site, which allows Mailchimp to collect data about your visitors' actions and behaviors. The fourth thing, segmenting your audience, is crucial. Mailchimp allows you to create custom segments based on customer behaviors, such as website visits, abandoned carts, or even email interactions. By segmenting your audience this way, you can create highly personalized campaigns that speak directly to each group's specific interests or needs. Another thing to keep in mind is using Mailchimp's retargeting ads. These ads can be displayed on platforms like Facebook and Google, reminding potential customers of the products they've viewed on your site. This works by targeting users who have visited your website but haven't made a purchase yet. It's a simple way to boost your sales and get people back to your store. Next, you'll want to create engaging email campaigns as part of your retargeting strategy. After all, emails are a key tool in Mailchimp's suite. You can set up automated email sequences that target those who abandoned carts or viewed products but didn't check out. Tailor these emails with personalized offers or reminders to bring people back to complete their purchases. Now, let's move to testing your campaigns. You don't want to just set and forget. Test different ad creatives, email subject lines, and call to action buttons to see what resonates with your audience the most. Mailchimp offers A/B testing for email campaigns, which can help you find the perfect combination to increase engagement and conversions. Finally, keep an eye on your analytics. Mailchimp provides robust reporting tools that show you exactly how your retargeting campaigns are performing. From open rates to click-through rates and ad impressions, you'll get detailed insights into how well your efforts are paying off. Before we wrap up, remember you can start using Mailchimp for completely free by clicking the first link below. Plus, we've got exclusive bonuses to help you get the most out of the platform. If you want to take your retargeting efforts to the next level, you'll want to stick around for the extended free trial we're offering, so don't forget to check the link in the description. With Mailchimp, customer retargeting doesn't have to be complicated. By following these simple steps, you can turn lost opportunities into real sales,